Hello, and I welcome you beautiful people to day 3 of take 5. All right, I need 5 minutes. Ready, set, forearm plank is where we start. Let's go. All right, forearms are down on that ground. Belly is locked in tight, and we're gonna tap our knees to the ground. Ready? Tap, 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 tap. Good, 8, 7, come on, both knees, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay tight here, core is engaged. Good, 4, 3, 2. We go that left forearm for side plank. So don't drop anything, just stay tight right here, and then we're just gonna dip those hips. Good, lower and lift. Give me 8, 7, this will make 10, 6, 5, push your hips up, 4, 3, come on guys, it's a journey, 2, 1, hold it, right forearm down, stay. We tap our knees again, ready, set, tap, tap, whew, feel that burn kick in. You're on day 3, you're feeling solid. Who knew that you could take 5 minutes of every day out just for your core? And guess what? You could probably do more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Switch it up. Reach up, core tight, lift your low belly. Dip those hips. Good. 10 total. Give me 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, forearm plank in 2. You got it. Exhale, transition. Come on, guys, keep it tight. Good. You're almost 2 minutes in and you've been on your forearms this whole time. Tap it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, let's make that transition to our backs, okay? 3 minutes to go. Now, raise both legs up to the sky for me. So 1, 2, 3, up. Perfect. And then exhale, they're gonna circle right, down, around, and up. Yeah, big circle. Right, down, around. That's 2. Right, down, around. That's 3. Right, down, around. That's 4. One more rep. Right, down, around. Now 5 to the left. Ready? Let's go. Left, down, around. Remember, same cues as my last 2 classes so far is if your back is hurting, bend your knees, okay? Same thing, last 2 reps. Woo! Come on, big circles. One more rep, I feel it. Yes, you do. And reach. Good, exhale, knees at 90. Tap your heels. Good, tap your heels. If you want to add on to that, hold your head as you tap your heels so that your head is slightly lifted and so are your shoulder blades. 8, 7, woo, 6, keep your head up or down, good job. Final 4, can you pick it up? 4, 3, 2, one more rep, 1, quick transition back to plank. Ready, set, we haven't been here yet today in high plank. Less than 90 seconds, okay? Bring your knees slowly to your chest. So think mountain climber, but think slow, okay? Slow, slow, meaning we're not running. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7. We're at that 1 minute marker. What can you do? Come on. 4, 3, 2, hold it. Good. Right forearm, left forearm. Right arm, left arm. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Come on, up, left, right, left. 30 seconds. Right, left, right, core, left, right, left, core, right, left, right, you're almost done. Left, right, left, plank, right, left, right. Come on, guys. Final countdown right here. Yes, you can. Come on, finish it. Finish it. Good work. Holding. Yes, yes, yes. One more on the left. Up. Done. Woo. Knees. Child's pose. You are a solid, solid human. Breathe out. Killed it. Day 3. Nice work. I'll see you for take 5 again soon. Thanks, guys.